When your entire store walks out after management unjustly fires your coworker for being a union leader. Oh dang, we ride at dawn. That's what they said.
We have till dawn, then we must ride.
We love it. Yeah, I mean, listen, sometimes managers need to realize that they can't just do whatever they want with no consequences, you know? They're gonna make mistakes, okay? Listen, people make mistakes.
I wanted to make sure everything was handled perfectly, by the book, no mistakes.
But yeah, I agree with the unjustness going on here, and I agree that everyone should have walked out, you know? Those are ride or die coworkers, we love it.
We caught this Karen stealing peaches.
Hey, stop on the phone.
Don't
Stop.
Don't do that.
Hey, stop.
Okay, you know what a song
Okay,
is?
pero stop. I pay.
Yeah, you pay. Now go.
Okay.
Now go.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy and it's all over Peaches.
And I stay here. It's okay.
Go.
Pero stop on the phone.
Yes.
Stop on the phone.
Lady, you will get arrested
Stop
for
on
the
the
assault.
phone.
You-
Stop.
Look.
Stop on the phone.
All right, you just hit with an assault. Call 911.
That makes me want a peach though.
It makes me want a peach. Real bad.
I bet those peaches are good. I know that's like severely missing the point, but I'm not gonna lie. We were just standing here, I was watching it, and I started craving peaches after, so I'm an innocent party over here. Nice. All right. This is absolutely insane. I mean, this must be some bad. I hope that they're stuck in traffic because my first thought is why don't they just drive away? But they must be stuck in traffic or in a parking lot or something. Nice. Hope he's happy that it's broken now. What is this man freaking out about? He's having a hard time, and I need to know more because I don't know why. I don't know why this man is so angry, especially at that rearview mirror over there.
That's a really bad thing to do.
Are you kidding me?
Dude,
Look
it's
at
compound.
every inch of this wall.
It's like throwing a tire into the river.
It's like throwing a tire.
compound.
Do you understand this is sandstone? And in like 40 years it'll be gone because I'm not even going that deep.
40 years.
Oh, so this guy just wanted to carve his name into the rock?
Have you ever been to Rock House?
We've been everywhere.
1881, 1857, all the way to
So
present
you
day.
just said 40
Thousands
years.
of people
it's
come
gone.
from all over the place. Can't carve
Well,
into sandstone.
That's okay.
Why would you be arrested for carving your name on something?
Are you serious? Why would you be arrested for defacing the park?
Like, this just does not need to be a fight. Like, no one needs to carve their name into anything. Can we just stop with that? Can we just stop carving things unless it's us for us and it's ours and it's a carving? I don't know why I'm so heated about this, but like, why? There's absolutely no reason for you to need to do that other than your ego, you know? It's just weird. It's very strange. It's very strange, and that really did not need to be a fight. This is absolute chaos. Oh. She just absolutely ate. This is chaos, man. I absolutely would clock out and leave. I would make sure I clocked out first and I would leave. Nope, I'm not working there no more. I'm not finishing my shift, I'll tell you that for sure. That is freaking chaos. How? How does it get like that?
This is what happened after the Kwaku Festival in McDonald's Amsterdam.
Oh my gosh. Damn, it's all fun and games so you can't get chicken nuggets anymore, man. Why is it always McDonald's, man? Damn. These poor people. Also, just working at night at a McDonald's would just be terrible. Like, it would just always be chaos. There's always gonna be drunk people coming in there. There's always just gonna be madness going on. And then to have this, like, it's just too much. It's just too much.
I'm recording you because you're recording us, right? So what is it for?
You have a beautiful body.
Okay, but why would you disrespect us like that?
Okay, can we go?
I
I just wanted to record your body. I'm sorry.
But why are you still recording though?
Ew.
What are you doing?
This is so creepy.
Sicko.
I just think you have a beautiful body.
You mad? Sicko, get the f out. Turn around. Turn around.
It's a public place.
It's not. You can't be recording us like that, you sicko. Turn around. Stop recording me. I'm recording you too.
Please walk, please.
Can you please?
Ew, I have like actual goosebumps right now.
Jasmine, come. My car is this way, please.
I did not like anything about that. I don't want that energy around me. Ew.
Ew, David.
Ew. That was so creepy. Ew. Ew. Oh, spinning out. Just in the middle of the intersection. No worries. No worries, man. Everyone's just trying to go to work. They're just spinning out. What in the world? Oh. That truck's really just, the white truck is risking it for the biscuit. He's like, well, we'll see. We'll see what happens from here. This is so crazy and would be very annoying.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Any one of you guys go see what car they're driving, get the license. Get the license plate of the car.
That's crazy. I mean, like, part of me was like, why is the security guard just standing there? But listen, sometimes you just gotta let people take whatever alcohol they're gonna take and cut your losses.
Get the car. What's the point in it? Don't come back to the store.
Don't come back to the store. It's not worth anybody getting hurt in this situation over like vodka, you know, whatever. There's lots more where that came from. No worries. You can have the Bacardi. Thank you.
Only.
Oh my God. Oh my God, that was crazy. Holy smokes, that was wild. Oh my God.
What the? Wow! Wow! Il vient nous rentrer dedans, monsieur l'agent! Il vient nous rentrer dedans, monsieur l'agent!
I mean, the guy just yelling holy f makes a lot of sense to me, because I mean, that's really the only response you need. That was wild. Holy, scary. Guys, that's it. That's all the clips we have for today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for a little bit. I hope you had a silly goose time. I sure did. We saw some crazy clips today. I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski. I'll see you again very soon, I'm sure. Goodbye. All right. What's up? Karens with no regard for the law. Ew. Woo. I hate it. I just finished this book last night. I was reading this book called One Step Behind by Lauren North, I think her name is. And anyway, it was a really good book. Would recommend if you like, I don't know, kind of mystery, thrillery type books. But it just like, this video gave me that vibe. So if you've ever read that book before, maybe you'll know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, I don't know.